Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying power and identifying obvious faults. That guides every next move. First, remove the pommel and test the battery voltage with a multimeter, then swap cells if the reading is below safe tolerance. Once you confirm power, open the chassis using Torx T6 and a spudger. Look for loose screws, broken clips, or a misaligned emitter. While you work, keep screws in order and document connector positions. This prevents reassembly mistakes and saves time later. Next, focus on the electronics. You want to find the root cause rather than replace parts blindly. Carefully inspect the PCB under bright light or magnification. Look for hairline cracks, lifted pads, or burnt components. If you find a broken trace, bridge it with 32 AWG wire and secure with flux before soldering. Reflow any dull joints. Test the LED driver and speaker with isolated power, and check sensors like the reed switch or accelerometer. Verify their continuity and function. To finish, reassemble with care and validate operation through a thorough test routine. First, secure the emitter and blade retention, then tighten screws snugly, don't over-torque. Power up and run idle, swing, and clash tests. Check speaker output, LED brightness levels, and any button latency. Once done, cycle volume and brightness through their ranges to confirm stability. If you still see faults, try a known good board or wiring harness. And finally, consider a firmware reset or reload if the Saber supports it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.